Okay, we got HSC versus Hoover White. HSC's in blue.
Hey, Kevin, show.
Hoover's in white and blue. That's the first half.
Hey, wake up, blue! Splash white.
Get out!
Grayson, too much space! Mateo, that's straight to the three other guys. Right? Easier passes wide. Fuller, come on, we gotta keep that. Hey, you can't dive at these guys, they're very skilled. Settle. Must win, Zola. Hey, let's go.
Get out!
Easy outlet, Sean. Richard, now we face as we drop. Find Mateo.
Look at Ian.
Matthew, where's the mark? Matthew, get on that. Come on, Matthew. Wide. Mateo, support underneath.
You got time?
Come on, JC, be better. Come on, Matthew again. Where you face? Take a touch, JC. Wake up. Find Zolo. All right, right. JC, put the ball on the ground. Now we find feet. Fuller, you've got to find feet. Get across, David. Get across, David. Grayson, get back. David, get across the ball there. Diagonal runs. Sort that in the middle. Come on. Kevin, give us depth. Come on, guys, come on. Mateo, play forward if we can. Hey, relax, JC. Fight us again. Good, Fuller. And Matthew, that's your win. Matthew, that's your win. Keep it going. Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad. Nice, Mateo.
Simple, Kev. Little touch. Little touch. Grayson, if you're having trouble recovering, don't push as high. Keep going. Press on Mateo. JC, up the field. He needs width here. JC, careful ball watching. Give us an option wide, okay?
Tight.
Hey, Fuller, pass him off and drop back in here on 35. Hey, you better get there.
Get there.
Now send him. Send him.
Get out!
Good. And again. Go back, JC. No, sir. That's a good tackle. Go up.
Get back! Kevin! Kevin!
Hold on, JC. Time. Work out of it. Stop turning into people's all. 2 touch, yeah? Keep. Outlet, simple. Sean, be an option. Pick up the tape. See what happens. Turn. David, come on in the space that high.
That's you!
Yes, Grayson. Thank you.
Get on! Nick!
Must win now. On his touch. Hey, come on. Go hard.
Man on!
Now you're in trouble, Grayson. Now you got to work back. Better passes, tail. Cab step, you're keeping everybody on. Come on, quickly! Go on, Sean, yourself!
Oh, not bad.
First time, Matthew. Let's out!
Hey! Man on!
Oh, push it back. Good. Zolo. Fuller, you're going too high. Stay in the center. Come on, JC, take a touch and play Zolo in the middle. Fuller, now go find 25. Go find 25. Good hit. Good try.
Not bad.
Kevin, get there!
Well done, Jay. Well done, Alex. That's fine. I like it.
Remember, play wide, Owen.
Oh, and remember what we talked about with our punting? There you go.
That's fine, JC. David, David, when Jackson's pushing on, make that diagonal run in behind. Don't just make the run straight.
Hey, man behind, off your foot. Good. Kevin, in it.
Again, JC, relax. Just take the angle. Wait, your face.
Communicate.
That's it.
Zach, cover Ryder! Zach, cover Ryder!
Nice shot. Nice shot. Yeah, Parker. All right, it's 1-0.
You okay, JC?
Got it. Kevin, get wide!
Matthew.
Matthew, what?
Get you, Matthew. You got that? Tight. Tight.
Fuller, forget him. Go in the middle of the field.
Sean.
So run. Stop.
Oh, I like it. Try.
Hey, why? You're gonna have to find.
Mateo, that's the way to get in spot, bud. That's the way to get in position. Well done.
You got to call it a kill.
Casey, watch behind. Keep the picture, okay? It's on this side.
Hey, back here. Get on the line. It's right here.
Hey, he's gonna
Just got it.
go.
Well done, Zach.
Nice, Gala.
Watch two. Take support, Kevin. Hey, watch nine. JC, hands off head. Watch the ball. Watch the game. Come on. JC, look at the guy behind you, bud. Time! Get up.
Get on, Mateo. Get rid of it.
Mason, great ball!
Get in there, get the game.
Owen, come! We're fine, get us out! Owen, get us out! Come on, Matthew.
See him wide. Now, all right, JC, we need to be
Now
there, bud.
Fuller. Now Fuller. Yes! Now you play
Good, Sean.
better. Better wide.
Daniel.
I tell you, you're turning right into pressure, man. Just simple pass.
Yes, hey, Richard, come
Time.
across for him.
Talk to him, Zolo.
Yeah. Good solo, go.
Get across, Dave. Relax now, Zolo. Relax.
Your shoulders.
Make runs now, David. Slip it. All right.
Hey, Grayson, we're getting run through right here. And again, first time. Hey, and now play into space.
Sean, drop off immediately, Sean. Step two, Alex. Step two. Man on. Hey, be smart, Alex, trainer. Sub.
Grayson.
What's all with the being so successful? That's why some people stay balanced. Offense happen, right? Less touches. Okay, all right?
Relax.
Make it predictable, Logan. That's fine. Now we talk, Logan. Go with him.
Middle. Turn.
Nice. Put it through.
Come on, Theo.
Push up.
Yes. Good. And again. It's got to be quicker, wide.
JC, pinch in. Stop ball watching. Pinch in. Your man's not dangerous all the way here. Just
Sub.
pinch in and open your hips.
Gonzalo.
Hey, play aggressive.
Hey, good job, Nolan.
A lot of work right here. You're doing good, getting tired. All right, but you're doing well.
Logan, get back.
And we pull.
Hey, organize.
Wait, quick, Jackson, just get it.
Hey. Hey, who's here? 4, now you can go.
Less touches, boys. Less touches, simple to get, simple. Oh, yeah, touch the ball first.
Hey,
There
4
we
step.
go.
Forward, come on, help us.
Oh, yeah. I like it, Mateo, just on frame. David, Jackson, everybody less touches, simplified, okay?
Mason. Kevin. Tim's goal kick.
Come on, Jesse. You okay?
Yeah.
Stretching out that leg a little bit, you all right?
Yeah.
Good work.
Hey, we got to be more aggressive to the ball quick. Fuller's going to need one. I need to know the first one to
You
grab.
win.
Good. Hey, just force it back. Zach, find him now.
Mason, if you get ready first, either one of y'all. Fuller's gonna stop.
Hey, that's a great ball. We got it, but we have to not let that get served. Blaine, you're gonna have to get it off your foot now. Now. Good. And keep running. Keep going forward. Hey, Blaine. Blaine. Good job. Now find your mark. Good. Hey, no Blaine. Good. Now you go forward. Matthew, be ready for it. Matthew, be ready for it. Make him go the other
Man on.
Good. Get up the field, Alex. Oh, simple. This is the most difficult option you could have.
Good luck. Logan, good. Just recover. Logan, don't let him go past you.
Oh, close.
Right now? Daniel!
Kevin, just stay in the center. Hold. Just hold with Logan.
That's like you're
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Kevin, now we cover inside. Kevin, cover inside.
Good ball. Oh, good try. Oh. One of these.
Kevin, you gotta get that off your foot.
Hey, eat.
Hey, open your body. Open your body. Now look at Danny. Good. Except for that's the training.
Call that ending back.
Tight!
Are you-
Logan!
There's the ball right here.
Quickly! Tight on 9, tight on 9.
Jack.
Yes, John.
Kevin.
Here's Sean, turn!
Good. Good, Logan. And find it
Yeah.
again. Just find it again. Rashki. Good. Touch forward.
Relax.
Hey, and one more. Good, good. And again. Hey. Now you hit it. Swing the throw. Good. Sub. Check in and out. Come on, Blaine. Come on, Blaine. Come on out.
David!
Matthew. Okay.
Jump in. You know what I mean? Okay, just be focused on whenever we're pressing on, whether that's or Mateo, whoever pressing on. Just
Come on, Kevin! Kevin, Logan, you guys have got to find them coming through the center. Kevin, drop in with Logan and hold. You guys call out the marking assignment.
come on, Park. Keep working, Parker.
Link it up.
Hey, keep it in. Keep it in. Matthew, supporting. Hey, good, good. Now you go forward.
That's how Matthew.
Now you send it.
Matthew, play it. Catch. Matthew, play him early.
Hey, you can't hold this. You can't hold the ball. You just can't hold it. You're gonna have to send it. Hey, Logan, inside, inside. Kevin, that's where you come across and help us. Now you
Hold
find
on,
him
Tom.
back.
Sit two.
There you go. Good, Logan. Talk it out. Hey, organize. Mark.
Hey, Kevin. You got 22. Logan, I need 2. 22.
Hey, face.
Tight on 9. Kevin. Hey, Matthew, Matthew. Tight.
Kevin,
some runs. Backside.
Hey, step out!
Get back.
Step out! Go! Kevin, balance this in the center. Logan. Oh, is it water?
80 degrees outside.
Yeah, I was confused. I was like, hey, can they come off the water? Yeah. Okay. Go get a sip. Let's go.
Hey, stay active. So even on those balls, they might be jugging. You look like a baby. Stay active. Even that one there, that ball, you know, kind of lose down the road, getting right here in the six back. So if you just stay active and always just goal post, just be active. Even though it's not going to be the biggest little run, just be active and always go Hey, Red. Can we sub or?
Once we start playing again.
Okay, just not during the water break. Once you get in the water,
That's an awesome bag.
Win the ball. Get it off your foot. Okay? And this is after that, the ball. Outside back. You gotta be aggressive.
Hey, son, can I have a Gatorade back? Jackson, why do you sip. You made it. Sip. No, you can't. Oh, wait till I get it.
All right, boys, hey, let's go. Hey, again, I like the pressing. I like how we're going high. You stay active. If you're a front three, stay active, guys. Rebounds, shots, crosses, goals, accidental deflections. Stay active. I've seen a couple of deflections where we're standing and watching because it may not be this little slit through the thing that we're looking for. Yeah. Okay. But if I stay active, you never know. It pops out right in front of me. Down there. Hey, be opportunistic. Be a goal poacher. Things like that. Those are what get you. Hey, and we are shooting a lot. We are shooting a lot, so crash and follow rebounds. Don't just watch that keeper.
Hey,
Yeah, you gotta wait until like the next stop kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, should I shoot more trying to, like, if I run, like, the ball always goes like that. Can I just call it?
All the above. I mean, anytime when you cut in. Yeah, you have to stop. Hey, cut in. You get the ball, you're cutting in on the left, little dink to Parker, or dink Jackson.
Zach, hug.
Go hide it.
Hey, when they have goal kicks and stuff, put them under pressure. Everybody's falling back into the middle, and we're allowing that easy outlet. Go ahead and put them under pressure. Let's force it.
All right, come out of water break. Still 1-0 United.
Yeah, cool.
All right. Cool.
Come back to the ball. Come back to the ball. Good, man.
Hey, Blaine, come on.
That's good.
Hey, covering. Hey, yeah. Zach, you need to go inside there.
Zach Day.
Zach, when Ryder goes like that, you go inside.
Zach Day.
cover him.
When Parker makes that diagonal, he opens up all that space on that back side. Go ahead and slip in that space.
Kevin, Mark.
Hey, stop! Get out! No stop! Play hard!
Nice shield.
Come to me.
Hey, Alex, go! Alex, go! Blaine, 22 is yours!
What's up?
Rainer! Rainer! Come on, Fuller, work! Kevin, just keep running. Stand him up. No doubt. Logan, you've got there. Rashke, come inside. Oh, come on, you settle down.
Pull partner slide in into the middle. Defender white on the right.
That's for 10.
Strike the ball, strike the ball.
Well done. Hey, what? Who are you marking?
Oh, oh, nice.
Stop.
Well, down! Logan! Parker!
East, slide over.
Okay, you're free now.
Hey, great stuff. Good job.
Love the way you kick it.
You were fine. You weren't stepping to the ball. You're just being wide open.
Win that, Kevin, win that!
Yes, well done. And again, and again. Come on, Richard. Richard, come on. Matthew, three's yours. Three's yours. Richard, stay inside. You're fine. Pinch in him just a little, and when we win it, you go wide. Rusty! Now we step out! Now we step out! Now you win it. That's your win, Matthew. That's better. That's better than stepping to the ball. Hey, now we organize inside. Mason, make sure we mark in the center.
Turn inside, Tom.
Richard, get out!
Zach, man, touch the ball, bud. Not a bad ball, Tom.
Step!
Come on, come on. Oh, nice try.
Owen, hey, Owen, let us get out. Let us get out.
Ref! Ref! Kevin!
you can't sub.
Oh, we can?
Find the ball facing away from the goal. Play back. Play back.
Richard!
Okay.
Yeah. You know where you're at. Yeah. Okay.
Sub!
Sub!
Back.
Hey, and adjust, Danny. Matthew, you gotta win that. Matthew, come on, that's your win. Hey, turn it up the line. Up the line. Not the miss. Good. Good job. Fine. Hey. Find your mark. Find your mark. Who's there? Hey! Who's there? Good, Danny. Just make it predictable. Force it back. Hey, same team.
Don't let him go down the line.
And come across. Forward. Rasky! Come on, work! It's your ball, Rasky! Hey, touch time! Let's go! Hey, who's here? Hey, Kevin, that's a good fight. Kevin, that's excellent. Hey, that kid, go to his feet.
My runners! Yeah, they're both bouncing in the six. We talked about it.
Hey, Danny. Blaine, go get hold of the midfielder so we can. Danny, you're gonna clear that. Lock your ankle. Hey, good. Who's the mark? Good, mate. And now you're out. Hey, come on.
My bad.
Hold up. Leave it.
Press it. Sub!
Call it, Blaine.
Kevin! Here. Matthew, there. Yeah, Matthew. Daniel, don't hesitate. Must win!
Blaine, that's excellent. Come on, Daniel Fuller. Good, Matthew. Hey, White, want the ball.
Hey, you have back. Yes, good.
Matthew, cut inside. Matthew, inside. Hey, first time away.
Step up, Matthew.
Yes,
Okay,
better.
take
Daniel Fuller, you're disconnected. Run through it.
Matthew. Trap the ball there. Not with your shins and your knees.
All right, it's in the first half, 1-0.